It's been a fabulous start to the trading week. You couldn't have asked for anything better. When we came into trade, you had a positive set of global cues to start off trade with. US markets, remember, clocked in a fresh record high on Friday night. So in any case, we were charged up for that 15,300 mark. But who would have thought that we're going to actually manage to close at the highest point of the day, and at the day's highs well above the 13,350 or 15,350 level. I'm losing track of the numbers here. It's really been that unbelievable and magical a rally. 190 plus points higher on the Nifty futures, almost 1.5% up in the green is how the Nifty actually managed to shut shop for itself. And it's quite interesting that you can't say it's the same about the broader end of the market, given that while we still managed to close favoring the advances, the gap between the advance and declines actually slimmed and narrowed down towards close. While the advances still took over, there was by lesser a margin, with 84 stocks standing to the advances and 5960 odd to the declines within the F&O universe. What was charging up ahead on the Nifty? Let's talk about the gainers first. It was banks and banks all the way, followed by a clutch of financials as well as real estate names. So you had the likes of an ICICI Bank, which in any case has been at a fresh all-time high in uncharted territory. That pushed up higher by about 4.5%. And Axis Bank as well, with over 6% move coming in on its futures. SBI held out by 4.25%. Indusind Bank held out by 3.5%. HDFC Bank a near 3% move coming in on the futures. It was all looking picture perfect, and it was private banks along with SBI which really charged up and pushed up the markets ahead, or the Nifty ahead today. Aside of that, financials as well did their bit. So Bajaj Finance, almost a 4% move coming in there. You also had HDFC with a 2.5% uptick, and a clutch of financial names from within the broader end of the market which held out very smartly. So Chola Finance saw a double-digit gain, over a 13% move on its futures. LIC Housing Finance held out 8.5%. Piramal Enterprises, not a pure play financial name, but a large chunk of their revenues does come from finance. So almost a 7% move coming in there as well. Aside of that, Motherson Sumi charged up very smartly, saw a very smart follow through coming into its Friday's price action, where this was one of the big movers. Today as well, it saw a 7% uptick coming in. As was the case with Apollo Hospitals, this was the biggest price winner within the F&O universe, with a near 13.5% uptick coming in after some very solid management commentary and solid set of Q3 numbers as well. Handful of losers too today. So Amar Raja Batteries, Indiabulls Housing Finance, an Idea, a Sale, as well as IGL. These were a couple of laggards. Tomorrow, of course, we'll have all eyes on Nestle. That's going to be delivering its numbers. So let's see what Nestle actually states in their Q3 commentary. Having said that, we're now at the fag end of the earnings season, so cues for the market seem to be drying up, but hopefully global cues should be supportive. Tonight, of course, remember, no US cues. US markets are shut on account of a public holiday there, so we'll pick up all the trading action tomorrow morning. Let's see how we kickstart.